Hey you, are you rebuilding your Subaru engine? Maybe it's an older one. Maybe it's a 2004 STI like I have. If so, when you put your cylinder heads together, you're all too familiar with those crappy black plastic half moons that break, shatter, and leave debris everywhere in your fancy cylinder head. Well, here at Company 23, we're all about innovation, even in the smallest places, and that's why we came up with this. These are our Hex-It half moons. So I'm gonna open this up, show you what makes them special, and why you should include them in your next Subaru EJ engine rebuild, which you know is coming someday. First thing we noticed when we opened the package, it was boxed by Mr. R. Matson, whoever that is. Next thing we see when we open the package is this really nicely wrapped bundle of joy. And inside that, I'm gonna take it apart, you will see these. And these are the actual half moon seals for your EJ cylinder head. So these are machined out of a 6061 T6 billet aluminum, and then they feature our nice dark gray anodizing, which has been kind of become a staple of a bunch of different Company 23 products. So what makes this part special is that on one side of it, we actually machine a hex into it. What that does is that unlike other billet aluminum half moons on the market, you can actually just put a Allen wrench in here and give it a little twist and it pops right out of your cylinder head. No damage to the half moon, no damage to the cylinder head. That's different than other billet half moons on the market that once you put the seal on them or the RTV or glue, whatever you're using, you have to grab them with pliers, work them out of there. That leaves your nice fancy new billet half moons looking ragged and scratched, and that's just not something we want. So the other nice thing about these is we actually laser engrave in the hex itself, or if you want to put the hex on the inside of your engine, you can do that too. So we laser engrave the outside of it also. We also design the hex with a certain depth so that if you do turn it around and point the hex to the inside of your engine, there's actually still clearance with the cams removed to put an Allen key in there and pop it out in case you want to display the big Company 23 logo on the outside, but you can put them either way. So they are symmetric otherwise, other than the hex. If you have any comments, questions, concerns about these, shoot us an email, c23@company23.com. Or you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all that fun stuff. These do also, I will say, come in a kit of 4, so it's enough for one whole engine. And this should be the last set of half moons you ever have to buy. But with that being said, it's a sad point in the video where I must bid you adieu or goodbye. Go get a set of these next time you rebuild your engine, and you'll never have to buy another set. So that's it. Bye. That's all I got. Bye. Still recording.